Good morning, my little ones. I hope you all are keeping fine. I am your Sarita ma'am, and today I am going to teach you a new topic in general awareness. So kids, in the previous sessions, you have learned 3 topics related to school. 1. My school. 2. My classroom. And 3rd, library. In my school, you learned about different rooms, or we can say different areas where different activities are carried out, such as classroom, art and craft space, market and drama space, kitchen space, music and movement space, GMS space and play area. In my classroom, you learned that a teacher teaches in the classroom, and also you saw different objects that are used in the classroom, such as blackboard, chalk, duster, table, chair, chart, blocks, etc. And in the topic of my library, you learned that library is a place where different kinds of books are kept, and you also saw what all things you can find inside a library. Library is a place where you can sit and read the books, and also you can issue the books, carry it home and read it there. Now, today we will learn a new topic related to school, and that is safety rules at school. Now, what does safety means? Safety means a state of being safe from danger or injury. That means the rules that we have to follow when we are at school to stay safe. Now, let us see what all rules we have to follow when we are at school. For that, we will see some of the pictures from workbook. Now children, what do you see in this picture? In this picture, you can see all the children walking in a line. And what is written here? Walk in a line. That means whenever you are in school, you have to walk in a line when going out of the class or entering the class, and that is the most important safety rule to be followed when you are in the school. And tell me, why we have to walk in a line? हमें हमेशा लाइन में क्यों चलना चाहिए? ताकि हम एक दूसरे से टकराए ना और किसी को चोट न लग जाए. इसीलिए जब भी हम स्कूल में होते हैं, हमें हमेशा लाइन में ही क्लास से बाहर जाना है और लाइन से ही हमें क्लास के अंदर एंटर होना है. Now children, what do you see in this picture? In this picture, a boy is pushing another boy. यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिख रहा है? एक बॉय दूसरे बॉय को पुश कर रहा है. So, what we don't have to do in the school? Do not push anyone. हमें किसी को धक्का नहीं देना चाहिए, वरना कोई भी गिर सकता है और उन्हें चोट लग सकती है. So, whenever you are in the school or anywhere outside the school also, you should never push anyone. आपको किसी को धक्का नहीं देना है. Now children, what is shown in this picture? In this picture, a boy is running around in the class. So what is written here? Do not run in the classroom. हमें क्लासरूम के अंदर दौड़ना नहीं है. We should not run inside the classroom because we may hit any of the benches or tables and we can fall down and get hurt. अगर हम क्लासरूम में दौड़ेंगे तो हम किसी टेबल या बेंच के साथ टकरा कर गिर सकते हैं और हमें चोट भी लग सकती है. So we should never run inside the classroom. Now children, what do you see in this picture? In this picture, a boy is running and climbing the stairs. So what is written here? Do not run up and down the stairs. That means whenever you are climbing up or climbing down the stairs in the school, you should never do it by running. You should slowly climb the stairs up, or you should climb down the stairs slowly. That means आपको जब भी स्टेयर्स उतरना या चढ़ना है स्कूल में, आपको स्लोली चढ़ना है या स्लोली उतरना है. आपको दौड़ के स्टेयर्स पे नहीं चढ़ना है और नहीं उतरना है, वरना आप स्लिप होके गिर सकते हो और आपको चोट भी लग सकती है. सो नेवर run up and down the stairs. Always walk slowly. Now children, what do you see in this picture? A boy is trying to climb up on the table. What is written here? Do not climb or stand on the desk. That means you should never climb or stand on the desk or table that is in the क्लासरूम. आपको आपके क्लास के किसी भी टेबल या डेस्क के ऊपर चढ़ना नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज यू मे लूज योर बैलेंस एंड यू कैन फॉल डाउन एंड गेट हर्ट. आप नीचे गिर सकते हो और आपको चोट भी लग सकती है. सो नेवर ट्राई टू क्लाइंब और स्टैंड ऑन एनी ऑफ द डेस्क्स. नाउ let us see some more pictures for better understanding. Now, let us see some more pictures related to safety rules at school. Now, what do you see in this picture? Two children are fighting with each other in the classroom. क्या हमें fight करना चाहिए हमारे friends के साथ? No, we should not fight with others. Otherwise, anyone may get hurt. किसी को चोट लग सकती है. Now, what is seen in this picture? A boy is using sharp objects in classroom. क्या हमें sharp objects के साथ खेलना चाहिए? No, we should not play with sharp objects. वरना क्या हो सकता है? We may get hurt. अगर हम sharp objects के साथ खेलेंगे तो हमें चोट लग सकती है. Now what is seen in this picture? Children are throwing paper balls and other objects at each other. क्या हमें क्लास में पेपर बॉल्स या चीज़ों को एक दूसरे के ऊपर थ्रो करना चाहिए? No, we should not do this as it will spoil the class and anyone may get hurt. Now what is there in this picture? A boy runs on the wet floor and he falls down. हमें गीले फर्श पर दौड़कर नहीं जाना है, वरना क्या हो सकता है? आप स्लिप होके गिर सकते हो और आपको चोट लग सकती है. You may slip and fall. Now what is there in this picture? Two children are playing on slide and they are waiting for their turn to play. Is it a safe thing or not? Yes, it is safe to wait for your turn whenever you are playing in a park or in a garden. Now what is there in this picture? Three children are getting into a bus and they are fighting with each other to go inside first. Is it a safe habit? No, we should wait for our turn to get inside a bus. और उसके अलावा अगर हम इस तरीके से झगड़ा करेंगे तो क्या हो सकता है? कोई भी नीचे गिर सकता है. Now, let us discuss the worksheet related to safety rules at school. Now, what we have to do in this worksheet is, we have to tick the picture that shows safe activity and cross the picture that shows unsafe activity. Now, what do you see in this picture? Children are throwing paper balls at each other. Is it safe to throw paper balls? No. So, we will put a cross in the circle given below. Now, what do you see in this picture? Children are walking in a line. So, it is a safe activity. So, we will put a tick in the circle given below. Now, what do you see in this picture? Two boys are fighting with each other. So, it is unsafe. We will put a cross. Now, what do you see in this picture? Two children are running around in the class. Is it safe to run in the class? No. So, we will put a cross in the circle given below. And what do you see in this picture? Two children are playing on the slide and they are waiting for their turn to play. So, is it a safe activity? Yes. So, we will put a tick in the circle given below. In this way, you have to finish doing this worksheet. I hope you all are clear about the topic of safety rules at school and you will be doing the worksheet by yourself, right? आप करोगे ना अपने आप? समझ में आ गया है ना topic? So, let's meet tomorrow with an interesting activity. Till then, take care and bye-bye.